Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can simply disable Windows 11 sign-in password and lock screen. So let's start. It's pretty straightforward video and pretty easy, so if you have any questions, ask down below in comments. You want to go to the bottom next to the start and click on the search. Then write net PLWIZ and run command. Click on it. In a moment when you're going to be here, how you can actually disable the Windows 11 sign-in password and lock screen, click on whatever you have, and users must enter username and password to use this computer, and you can turn it off like this, and then apply and OK. So thank you very much guys for watching. If you can have any questions, ask down below in comments, and have a great day and goodbye. See ya.